An eerily quiet rally we are seeing today. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Friday, July the 10th. And the quietest 500-point range of Dow we've seen in a long time, 40-point range in the S&P, 100-point range in the NASDAQ. Oh, Dow's up about 200, S&P's up. NASDAQ is actually down a little bit after yesterday's explosion. It looked to me like yesterday's action was a blow off to the upside in the NASDAQ, which would mean I would expect it to go lower from here. But again, we remain in the same positions. Short Dow, short S&P, short Russell, long NASDAQ. Okay, that won't change today. And again, it's very, very quiet out there, which indicates to me something bigger is happening at some point. Maybe today, maybe not till next week. We'll see. In the meantime, the metals continue to move higher. Gold, silver up, platinum up. We're still long both gold and silver and still short platinum. And again, you know, when it changes, we'll change with it. But until then, we stick it out. Crude has been fairly wild today, up and down. It's up right now, back over that $40 a barrel level. But again, I don't see much more from here. I'm glad to see it higher because I'm long, but it'll also pull up the stop that will be triggered by the algorithm sooner. So it's all good. The dollar is a little bit lower. Copper continues its run. It's unbelievable. But that is showing you the housing growth and other things. Natural gas is higher, which we're long both of those. And again, the bonds are higher, but they were much higher, and they've come back quite a bit. Wouldn't be surprised to see the bonds close lower on today. Again, the action is very quiet and very subdued here. Either everybody's exhausted, or again, there's something brewing underneath the surface. That answer I don't have, but that's the way that I would be watching this, trading it very carefully, as always, but especially today, because again, it's just too quiet to really get overly excited about anything. Okay, grains, corn and beans are slightly lower. Wheat is higher again. We're long across the board. Meats, cattle, fats, and feeders are both higher. Hogs are a little bit lower. Again, not that far from unchanged, but that is the direction. And of course, that's the direction of our positions as well. Again, as I say to you almost every day, look, let the price action dictate what you're going to do next. Right now, there's not a lot. It's just kind of grinding higher and a little bit of small pullback, then push higher again. Well, let's see how it trades out. Let's see where the action comes. Wait for the right spots. Know your exits. Trade as you want. I mean, again, for my money, I'd rather be on the golf course, but I have to be here. So at the end of the day, we'll trade them as we see them, and when we get an opportunity, we'll take advantage of it. And until then, we'll just sit back and watch and observe, because sometimes observation is the best trade you can make. And of course, don't remember, brand new partnership with Family Farms. Really excited about that. We'll fill you in more on Sunday. And of course, the commodity report, unbelievable. Andy Heck does such a great job putting together futures and ETFs for those who don't like futures to trade, giving you total perspective with a weekly update plus a huge quarterly. You got to check it out. Go to BUBBATrading.com. Technomental is the name of the report. You can check it out for yourself. It's $100 a month, $800 a year. And of course, our brokerage partners, as we tell you every day, are second to none. Okay, now, as I say, I have other accounts elsewhere, but for my money, the ones I want to trade my account, CTG for futures and commodities, they do a great job. They've got some great products. They answer the phone. They take care of you. They execute on time. Never a problem, never an issue in all my years doing business with them. So love to have them as part of the team. And trade your brokerage, same way. They're there. You got a problem, they'll help you out. And of course, because we tie into their API, most of our stuff is going to be all automated. So you get the benefit of, first of all, paying no commission and not that 65-cent quiet stuff they try to sneak on you, but also you get the advantage of automation. So again, for my money, those are the best two brokers I could possibly ask for. I've got a special link for both. If you want to get a hold of it, just email me at bubba@bubbatrading.com. I'll be happy to send it to you. And of course, don't forget our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. We're rebuilding and shooting some new videos for the hopefully upcoming fall semester. In the meantime, have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line. But again, be careful today. If it's nice for you, enjoy the weather. If it's hot and rainy, well, it's the way of the game. In the meantime, have a great weekend, everybody. Thanks so much. We'll see you on Sunday.